What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, it is freaking time to shine, man. We got the black bike here and we got a corner full of boxes, man. That means the parts for the black bike has came. We literally waiting on the rear fender, but like I said, if the parts came in before that rear fender was shipped, I was just gonna grab another fender out in LA because I already seen one out there for a cheaper price. So I think I'm gonna possibly ship that Cvo fender out. If they do happen to ship it out, they haven't even shipped it out yet. So don't know what's up with that, but I found a fresh one out in the city already. So we'll just have to see about that momentarily. However, it is pretty much time to start busting this bike down. I already got the garage cleaned up and stuff for the day. The Corbin seat for the red bike should be here today, so we'll get some backrest action before we go get it restitched, of course, customized to our liking. But other than that, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get it in now, shall we? Easy as the job sounds, man. I done broke a freaking 40. My only 40 that I got. And all the freaking bolts on this thing are 40, man. So I gotta go to like Harbor Freight or Home Depot or something real quick. Go get a 40. So we can get the rest of these bolts off from the back. Get this off and we'll be good to go after that. Get the rear fender off. Gas tank, outer fender, and then it's off to the paint shop. So I guess we can go find a 40 real quick. Alrighty, man, we got the bike set up. Now I kind of want to take these speakers off. I probably will, and just note these wires when they come back up. Just note those. Because they're not really, it's not really that difficult to put it back in, it looks like. So, thinking I might unscrew that. However, we do got the parts over here ready to go. Now, this fender isn't going, but we do have the new bags down there. We have the new bags down there. These are the Saddlebag rail guards, inner fairing, and then wraparound fender. So, pull that out once we get ready to go drop it off. But here's most of the parts though. Not that bad, pretty simple. Got to take the dash off of that one. Pretty simple job though. Man, just got my seat in the mail, man. My boy on the phone, man. Y'all gotta go subscribe to my dog. Y'all see what's going on. I'm over here getting my Built by Dre special, man. What's good, man? Man, I seen that red thing on the tube, man. If y'all ain't tuned it in, man, y'all gotta go check out my boy bike. He done redid the whole thing and everything, man.
For that fall, you gotta come something new. You gotta put it down.
Hey, I'm dying, man, for sure, man. Well, if y'all want to see my boy's video and his build, man, make sure y'all tune into his channel right now. We're gonna go up, but I'm gonna show y'all the Corbin right now, man. So check it out. As for this seat, we found this seat, this Corbin seat on eBay. Couple $100. It is ripped up right there. Ripped up in the back too. Gotta get a new one of these little pieces. No big deal. And then this side is ripped, but it is a Corbin, and we're gonna be getting this thing re-wrapped down, re-leathered up, you know, so that'll be cool. Nice new seat with a seat rest and all that. Now this kind of looks bent, but I kind of do have one already, so a backrest at that. So we'll see how it goes. Can't wait to put that thing on that bike, dog. Slide. guys, we done went through a million tools, but we found another 40. We got the rear fender off, got those saddlebag guards off. Next, we're gonna be getting this gas tank off and the outer fairing off. So just about done with the breakdown process. Pretty simple, not that hard. Here is the old fender. Now I did order a Cvo rear style fender. However, they haven't even shipped it out yet. So judging if they ship it out anytime soon is if we'll know, we'll get a rear fender like pretty much just like this, or the Cvo one. But this one is gonna be out mainly because it has all of these ultra glide like chrome pieces on it. Now I know I can possibly take these chrome pieces off. I'm gonna see if I can take them off, and if it has holes or anything like that. If it doesn't, we can probably just cover it up, take it to Antonio, cover it up, save some more money, and just get a little bracket with the turn signals on there. But we'll just have to see about that. Never really took one of these off, but we'll get there once the fairing and everything else is off. That's important. Now we're only waiting on our rear fender. However, this one has like the chrome pieces, so I'm about to pretty much take it apart and see what it's looking like under there, just so I can know, because I don't even know if it's like full of holes or whatever the case may be. Alrighty guys, we got this outer fairing off. Now I'm going to be taking this chrome little piece off right here so we can get that color match with the fairing. It will just look that much better. However, this inner fairing does have like some extra speakers and stuff up here. You guys see that? Now it does have a set of screws back here, which we can probably take off and mount this to the new fairing. However, I don't want to do too much fabrication work, so I might just leave it like that. We'll just have to see what's up, but everything is pretty much broken down on this thing. It's ready to go to the paint shop, man. So y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about it so far. We're gonna get this chrome all cleaned up and stuff like that. Get it purple for my boy, man. He chose purple, so y'all know how we coming. But stay tuned, man. Let your boy know what you think about it in the comments below. So now we pulled the two bolts off of this thing. Now this fender has a lot of holes in it, like I thought. So Antonio could cover it up, but it'll be a lot easier to just get a brand new one. So we'll put that thing back together and sell this pretty much as is. Take out the wires and stuff once the other fender comes, but this one will be getting sold just like that, so we won't be pulling that apart no more. All right, so now that we got all that stuff off, I guess we can open up these boxes and see what we got here. Let's open them up and see what we got. All right, let me show you what we got here, man. We got a new set of bags for you. We got the 2014 and up style bags, so this will make the bike look a lot newer. Comes with the liners already, so that's a plus there. We'll be taking those apart, taking these to Antonio. Fresh new bags for you there. These are the Saddlebag Guards right here that eliminates that, well, it's taken off now, but you guys seen that chrome look on it before we took them off around the bags. It just eliminates that. It has its, just makes it look way more flush with this style Saddlebag Guards or whatever. Here is the 21-inch wraparound fender. Oops. 21-inch wraparound fender. That's going on there as well. Here is the inner fairing. Now, I actually pulled this out to check to see if it matched up along the side, and it looks like it does. So, well, hopefully at least. So, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But that's inner fairing right there. The other bag. All the parts here. We're gonna be good to go pretty soon, man. If they don't bring if they don't ship out the rear fender before the week is up, or before I go to the city, rather, I'll just grab a new one, like I said. But everything is everything, man. Still debating if I want to take these speakers off and drill them into that. I got to see if the fairing looks the same on the other side. But yeah, you guys see what's going on, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. All right, so these are the little Saddlebag Guards I was telling you guys about. They go on like that. We'll mount these up real quick because those are pretty quick and easy, and we can just get those out the way, make some room with all these boxes and stuff. And they gave us some fresh new rubber things for the exhaust, so that's a plus too, man. Let's get this thing mounted up and get this box cleared out. The clearer the boxes are, the more stuff, well, the less stuff we got to do, rather, so that's a plus. Alrighty, so we got those new saddlebag rails on there, so it's not all bulky and chrome like it was. It's not a lot going on over here. So now when we put on the bag, it'll look a little something like this. It'll look like this. Definitely looks a lot cleaner than it did, that's for sure. Only thing with these aftermarket things and bags and stuff, all the holes don't normally line up, so we probably got to drill another hole in this bag to match up with that, but no big deal. It'll match up really nicely. Does look really good, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, dog. Man, so I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We got a bunch of stuff done on the raffle bike, man. The bike is going to be painted purple. We got all our parts here on the ground. Yeah, it looks a mess, but it's not really a mess. We got everything taken off. We got what we can put back on. We're about to take those bags down, take them apart. In the next couple of days, we should be heading to Antonio. We're waiting on the Fender still, as well as my truck is in the shop because it is right under the cutoff for the factory warranty, man. So I dropped that thing off so we can get everything tidied up and checked out before, you know, they try to hit us over the head a couple months from now, man. But without further ado, we got the black bike bust down, man. Time to get that thing painted up. We got the Corbin seat in the mail. It's time to drop that off to the leather shop. But other than that, man, I'm gonna try to keep it going. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.